Yes, and yes, we are live. Hello, welcome everybody to the lunchtime. Whoa, that was. Okay.
See you next week.
Okay, so lunch, dude. Like 10 years ago, when I was at at college, I did lunchtime concerts, and that was apparently like hardwired into me. Um,
It's Friday night.
it's Friday night. It's a living room concert. So welcome everybody to the living room concert. Tell everybody that this is going on. Send the link wide and far. Thank you in advance. Remember to like and subscribe. I hate saying that, but it works. We say it for a reason, you know. I went to the copper, so now I no longer look like Wolverine. So I actually look a bit presentable for the not lunchtime concert, but the living room concert. And we've got some really, really cool songs for all of you today. Normal people on Facebook, head over to YouTube because it's way better there. There are donation links up, down, wherever you're watching from. And now I'm going to stop talking. I hope you guys have a lovely evening. Thank you for joining me. And let's make some cool music. And I will be joined by a surprise schnibble by Hidda.
Not a surprise anymore.
Not a surprise anymore, but he'll be jumping in, as it were, at a special moment.
Literally.
Quite literally as well. Bertie, lovely that you're there. And yeah, enjoy. And for the good ones, when I make the set list, I'll tell you which the best ones were, so you won't miss any of it. Right, I've got like 100 tabs open. Thank you, Bertie. Oh, that's lovely of you. Guys, remember, the more comments, the more likes and everything that you'll make, it is good for the algorithm. So please, in advance. And we have wine. So yeah, sure, I'm up for wine. Okay, so we're gonna start with a really, of course, a beautiful song that I did ages ago. About a month back, I did that song. This song. Oh yeah. Cheers. Cheers. Oh man, this is good wine. This is going to be a good evening for all involved.
Wine from Portugal.
Wine from Portugal. Joao's grandfather's. Fantastic. Okay. This is a lovely English traditional song called Blooming Heather. And here we go. The summertime is coming, and the trees are sweetly blooming, and the wild mountain thyme grows around the blooming heather. Will ye go, lassie? I will build my love a tower near yon pure crystal fountain, and on it I shall plant all the flowers of the mountain. Will ye go, lassie, go, and will all to pluck wild mountain thyme all around the blooming heather. Will ye go, lassie, go? If my love he won't abide, I shall surely find another to pluck wild mountain thyme all around the blooming heather. Will ye go, lassie, go? And we'll all go together to pluck wild mountain thyme all around the blooming heather. Will ye go, lassie, go? Will ye go, lassie, go? Will ye go, lassie, go? Blooming Heather. I know it from Kate Rusby, but it's a really lovely traditional song. Yeah, it's a lovely little song, isn't it? Ah,
Looking like yourself.
absolutely, Bertie. Let's show that algorithm the what for. Absolutely. Yeah. If all of y'all could have that gusto, that would be fantastic. Likes everywhere and comments abundant. Lynn, yeah, lovely of you to join us and enjoy the wine, as will I. And apparently that's a Scottish song. I think there's a little bit of a debate over whether it's Northern English or Scottish, but I will not be getting into that. This is a safe space for everybody. That being said, I'm now going to do a song that people quite often argue whether it's English or Irish. So, you know, that was a... We will not be getting into all of that this evening.
Lauren creating a safe space and throwing oil on the fire.
Absolutely.
At the same time.
I do enjoy throwing... No, this isn't even... Anyway, okay. So here is a very beautiful English song, Down by the Sally Gardens. After wine. Good thing I'm not wearing a white shirt. Down by the Sally Garden, my love and I did meet. She passed the Sally Gardens with little snow white feet. She bid me take love easy as the leaves grow on the tree. But I, being young and foolish, with her would not agree. In field by the river, my love and I did stand, and on my leaning shoulder she laid her snow white hand. She bade me take life easy as the grass grows on the rills. But I was young and foolish, and now I'm full of tears. Down by the Sally Gardens.
And also,
Thank everybody for joining. Hi, Linda. Lovely that you're there. And also, 10 points to anybody who gets the quote of that one. Wow, what else did we have? We had, staying on the sadder songs for a while. I'm going to do a lovely Dutch song called Laatste Dag, the last day. One of my favorite ones, this is. I know I say that about all of them, but this is legit a really nice song. And it's really interesting because when I first came to the Netherlands, this was from one of the first albums that I listened to like on repeat and learned a lot of music to, apart from Disney's Let It Go in Dutch. And I sung it just now, and I've never actually thought about the words because I learned them when I didn't really know Dutch. So I was like, oh, this is what it means. Okay, oh, that's really interesting. And now I just sung it and I was like, oof, this is a very touching song, and the words as well. So here we are, Laatste Dag. Die hoge muren om je heen, van angst en steen. Onbereikbaar voor het licht, voor het woord gezwicht. Die laatste dag, jouw laatste tranen, de laatste stralen wat jij mij nooit zeggen kon. Het eindeloze zoeken naar een opening. Die in alle troost en warmte die zomaar verloren ging. Die laatste dag, jouw laatste tranen, de laatste stralen van de zon. Toen de stilte zei wat jij mij nooit zeggen kon. Over leven en zwijgen, over liefde en lijden, alles wat telde kwam nooit aan de schaamte voorbij. Neem je hoofd in mijn handen, leg je neer en de brandende spijt. Het is voorbij, van alles vrij. Die laatste dag, jouw laatste tranen, de laatste stralen van de zon. Toen de stilte zei wat jij mij nooit zeggen kon. Toen de stilte zei wat ik jou nooit zeggen kon. Laatste Dag by the 3J's, which I think a few people would not believe that it was from them because a lot of Dutch people aren't so keen on their music. And normally whenever I say, oh, this is how I learned, this is a big reason of why I learned Dutch, everyone just looks and is like, why? Because they have gorgeous songs like this. Like, yeah, I think the words are absolutely beautiful. Hey, your team. Ha! Thank you. I'm very happy with my haircut as well. That's it's definitely fresher for summer. Okay. What do we do? Staying in the Netherlands. I did this earlier, so I hope it's gonna work. Actually, I hope Stefan's here because this was also partly for him. So I will hold off on that a second to make sure that he is there. And let's do something slightly different. Do we do happy or sad? Let's do one more sad song. And then one more sad song and then we'll do something
Why did you ask?
slightly more upbeat.
Rhetorical question.
I mean, it's so far and in between, few and in between, that I actually do a happy song that it's like, and especially if I'm doing it for somebody, that I need to make sure that they're actually there, you know. So now we're going back to my teenage years when I was still an angsty teenager.
Rebel times.
Oh no, not even, nah, dude.
What did you look like? What color was your hair?
Okay, I am already beginning to get abuse from the boys behind the camera, so I'm just gonna start. Dude, I worked this out earlier, sorry. Yeah, okay, that's the right key. I'm so tired of being here, suppressed by all my childish fears. And if you have to leave, I wish that you would just leave, 'cause your presence still lingers here, and it won't leave me alone. These wounds won't seem to heal. This pain is just too real. There's just too much that time cannot erase. When you cried, I'd wipe away all of your tears. When you'd scream, I'd fight away all of your fears. And I held your hand through all of these years, but you still love all of me. You used to captivate me by your resonating light, but now I'm bound by the life you left behind. Your face, it haunts my once pleasant dreams. Your voice, it chased away all the sanity in me. These wounds won't seem to heal. This pain is just too real. There's just too much that time cannot erase. When you cried, I'd wipe away all of your tears. When you'd scream, I'd fight away all of your fears. And I held your hand through all of these years, but you still love all of When you cried, I'd wipe away all of your tears. When you'd scream, I'd fight away all of your fears. And I held your hand through all of these years, but you still love all of me. Oh, just like being a teenager again. Fantastic.
What's the song called? Because I know it.
Oh, it's called it's Maya Moto.
It's from
Oh,
Evanescence.
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 Right.
Yeah. I know Evanescence,
I
man.
played that
They did.
with my recorder in
That's
my
amazing.
5th grade or
Joao
something.
was playing this with his recorder when he was in like year 5,
He was 10.
10. That's adorable. I'm trying to think what we did when I was on I just remember doing stuff like Three Blind Mice and Frere Jacques on recorder. And I remember this crazy quick one.
Wow.
You know, like when you were a kid and then you learn to play something and then you just learn to play it quick. We did
Like a jig.
yeah, it's this real jig, and it's really cute. But of course, I got really bored in class because I was in class with like no one else was a musician, so we were going like.
Such a boring class.
And it was like it was just
Physical education, that's what
You
we
know,
call it in Portugal.
when I was bored at home and I picked up my recorder, then I was like. You know, it's a jig, and then I was actually playing it like that, and it was just like. Then it was just a bit of an anticlimax, let's say, when I had to do it in music class.
I had recorder lessons as well. I remember playing Greensleeves, Two Voices with my teacher.
That's very cute.
It's pretty.
Greensleeves is also a lovely one.
No,
That's a
tiny
typical
one.
recorder one
I
as
had
well.
Tiny hands with a big recorder because I was playing. I think I started playing alto when I was around 11. It's a cool. Yeah, it's a nice song.
Hola, Andrea, gracias. A mí también me gusta mucho. Linda, I'm afraid it's going to be next week. I thought I knew it, and I listened to it yesterday, and I absolutely realized that I don't know it as well as I thought I did. So, sorry about that. Just checking what else I have to do. So, here we go. Somebody asked for this about a month ago. So, finally getting on to it. Yesterday, all my troubles seem so far away. Now it looks as though they're here to stay. Oh, I believe in yesterday. Suddenly, I'm not half the man I used to be. There's a shadow hanging over me. Oh, yesterday came suddenly. Why he had to go, I don't know. He wouldn't say. I said something wrong. Now I long for yesterday. Love was such an easy game to play. Now I need a place to hide away. Oh, now I long for yesterday. Why he had to go, I don't know. He wouldn't say. I said something wrong. Now I long for yesterday. Yesterday, love was such an easy game to play. Now I need a place to hide away. Oh, yesterday. I believe in yesterday. Yesterday by the Beatles. Thank you, Joao. Getting applause here.
To have the song ruined forever.
Why?
Yesterday.
Oh my lord.
That's what I saw one of these days.
Anyway, the boys here are making jokes about everything. Anyway, yeah, guys. We're like 33 minutes in and it's already starting.
Rowdy.
Oh, it's almost time for the usual break.
Oh yeah, we have a break every week. I'm not sure if y'all have noticed this.
Well, I hope today it's
Hopefully
internet
no
and not my
break.
computer.
Yeah, right.
Again.
But when is it? 36.
35.
8:35. So apparently in 2 minutes there should be a little break.
We'll see.
So okay, let's try this one. Weet je wat het is? Ik heb geen goede moed, maar je ziet het niet naar. Maar zie je niet dat ik precies weet wat ik doe en ze kan het niet laten. Ze kan het niet laten, yeah. Weet je wat het is? Zij komt naar me toe. Ze vraagt me, ga je lekker? Wat ben je aan het doen? En ik kan het niet laten. Ik kan het niet laten. Oh. Ik zeg, weet je wat het is, baby? Ik voel me sexy als ik dans. Oh, oh, oh. Ik voel me sexy als ik dans, yeah. Ik voel me sexy als ik dans, oh, oh, oh. Ik voel me sexy als ik dans, oh, 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 oh. Weet je wat het is? Ik heb ze al gehoord, al die goede tips, maar ze werken nooit en je kan het toch niet laten. Je kan het niet laten, yeah. Ergens in haar blik zie ik dat er iets veranderd is. En ik geloof mijn ogen niet en ze kan het niet laten. Ze springt op de tafel, daar gaat ze, daar gaat ze. Ze kan het niet laten. Ze springt op de tafel, daar gaat ze. Ze zegt, weet je wat het is, baby? Ik voel me sexy als ik dans. 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 Yeah, yeah. Weet je wat het is? Ik heb geen goede moves, maar zie je niet dat ik precies weet wat ik doe? En ik kan het niet laten. Ik kan het niet laten, yeah. Ik voel me sexy als ik dans. Oh, oh. Ik voel me sexy als ik dans, yeah. Ik voel me sexy als ik dans. Ik voel me sexy als ik dans, yeah. Ik voel me sexy, voel me sexy. Ik voel me sexy als ik dans. Oh, oh, oh. Ik voel me sexy als ik dans. Oh, ze springt op de tafel. Daar gaat ze. Daar gaat ze. Ik voel me sexy als ik dans. Ik voel me sexy als ik dans. Ik voel me sexy als ik dans.
Nice, really nice.
That's thank you. Those sorts of songs are ridiculously hard to do with just a piano because it's like, wow, where does this beat come from? And here is the answer. No, it means I feel me sexy when I dance.
Yeah. leave a comment and tell us when you feel sexy. What makes you feel sexy?
That's a very good point. When was the last time you felt sexy? And was it while you were dancing? Leave it in a comment under the video.
Yeah.
You know what? I used to hate it when the people on YouTube did that. Were like, leave a comment underneath. And actually, it's like so fun to just be like, hey, leave a comment underneath the video.
You sound like a
Let us know.
Instagram influencer.
Babe, I am an Instagram influencer. Or I will be very soon.
Consider yourself influenced.
Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna try something here. A friend of mine sent the music for this today. I didn't really know it. So now I'm basically just gonna sight read this piece. I played it like once 10 minutes ago. Oh, hold on, we've been on for half an hour. 40 minutes, dude, that goes so quickly today. Okay, so this is Smile by, the music by Charles Chaplin. And oh, no break? Okay, good. So let's see how this goes. Yeah. Just having a cheeky drink. You guys should join me having a cheeky swig. It's one of those things that outside the UK, calling something cheeky is just absolutely a hilarious way of calling anything. It's so ridiculous. Okay, right, here we go. I'm actually going to play now, don't worry. Smile, though your heart is aching. Smile, even though it's breaking. When there are clouds in the sky, you'll get by. If you smile with your fear and sorrow, smile. Tomorrow you'll feel that life is still worthwhile. Light up your face with gladness. Hide every trace of sadness. Although a tear may be ever so near, that's the time you must keep on trying. Smile, what's the use of crying? You'll find that life is all worthwhile if you just smile. Though your heart is aching, smile even though it's breaking. When there are clouds in the sky, you'll get by. If you smile, though your fear and sorrow, smile and maybe tomorrow you'll feel that life is still worthwhile. If you just smile. just keep on trying. Smile, what's the use of crying? You'll find that life is still worthwhile if you just Well, that wasn't as bad as I thought it may have been. A little bit of fluency stuff, but it's, these are chords that I'm also not so used to reading. So we're gonna go to. Okay, sorry, my brain's gone a little bit. We're gonna go to Josie Newton. Josie Newton is an amazing singer-songwriter who I worked with legit like 10, 11 years ago. Charlie Bukurti. Like 11 years ago, I guess. Wait, how old am I? Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, a long time ago.
You don't know how old.
A long time ago, I went to record an album or an EP with Josie, and I was backing vocals and piano, and it was an awesome experience. And she did some really, really lovely songs. And so I'm going to do 2 of those now in a little set for us, for y'all, and for me, because I just love playing them and just loading the text and working out what key that I told myself I was going to do it in. Okay, E flat and B flat. Important knowledge, remember that, there'll be a test later. Just kidding, there's not going to be a test. Just for all of you who are worrying at home.
Let me get my pen and paper.
Exactly. Although it would be very interesting, I'm sure there's 1 or 2 people following who are geeky enough to turn around and say how many are in flats and how many are in sharps. Or in natural. C natural major. Anyway, okay, right, here we go. Here are 2... I wanted to do that. Next week we'll do that. Here are 2 amazing songs by Josie Newton, Angel City and Dancing in the Clouds. B flat and E flat, right? Sorry, guys. E flat and B flat. There we go. There we go. There we go. Right, yeah.
That's the test.
Just failed my own test.
Great then.
Forget I'm imperfect, and your words, they make me strong. It's your world I wanna be in. Somehow you see me as beautiful. Somehow you see me as beautiful. Their words can't touch me now, but I still hear what they say. Where we're going, we're untouchable, and it's you who makes it all go away. Yeah, it's you who makes it all go away. For the first time I'm flying. For the first time I'm flying. For the first time I'm flying to you in Angel City. You make everything seem possible, like there's something they don't know. I'll follow you wherever, 'cause I wanna be where you go. I'll follow you to where you go. For the first time I'm flying. For the first time I'm flying. For the first time I'm flying to Angel City. Angel City. To you in Angel City. For the first time I'm flying. For the first time I'm flying. For the first time I'm flying to Angel City. What must I do to you to not look at you? For you to look my way instead and get these thoughts out my head so I don't break. You can be the gentleman and I can be the girl, and right next to you I stand. We couldn't wait for this to arrive, but you don't even know I'm alive. Living it up, living it in. Take me up, take me in. conversation in mind. And if you look at me, we may find what we've been looking for. And we can take a walk in the park like way after dark, just because that's us. Living it up, living it in. Take me up, take me in. Living it up, living it in. Take me up, take me in. Living it up, living it in. Tonight we go dancing in the clouds just for you, just for now. Tonight is only about us. Tonight is only about us. Living it up, living it in. Take me up, take me in. Living it up, living it in. Take me up, take me in. Living it up, living it in. Tonight we go dancing in the clouds just for you, just for now. Living it up, living it in. Take me up, take me in. Living it up, living it in. Take me up, take me in. Living it up, living it in. Tonight we go dancing in the clouds just for you, just for now. Such awesome songs by Josie Newton, Angel City, and Dancing in the Clouds.
Kana Summers in Facebook says Lost House and the Big Hello.
No idea what that means, kinda. Sorry. Lost House?
Yeah, Big Hello.
Oh, big hello from the Lost House. Hello, Lost House. You guys should for sure be watching on YouTube because the sound is way better. We actually have microphones, like legit things. So head on over to there. Oh, we've had a few donations. So thank you very much for everybody who is who's donated so far. People watching on Facebook, head over to YouTube. I mean, I know I just said that, but that's not just for the Lost House. That's for everybody. Head over to YouTube and like and subscribe and comment on like everything on my channel because it really helps me out with the algorithm. And make sure if you miss anything, then make sure you watch it in the week after, even if you just like put it on your laptop and put it on mute while you do other stuff, because that really helps me. So thank you very much in advance for all of that. Remember, all y'all can send in suggestions. And yeah, that is basically next week.
Not yet.
That's it for now. Right, now we're going to go into a really fun set that I'm really looking forward to. I need to think of the order I'm going to do it in. And I think we're going to do it like this. Okay. So we're going to go to California. And I don't normally sing songs like this because not just because I'm British.
You don't sing songs.
Also,
of the
technically
colonies.
not true anymore. Songs
don't
of the
sing songs of the
colonies, wow. Anyway, I do sing songs of
The colonies.
the colonies.
The United States of America.
The United States of America.
British colony.
Anyway, we're going to go to California and we're going to do some actually happy songs and modern songs. So, I'm very excited about this. I mean, I say modern, it's still from like 8 years ago.
Everything after Mozart is modern.
Absolutely. As Hida says, everything after Mozart is modern music.
It's rock music.
So
it's in English. It's rock music.
anyway, so we're gonna do 4 songs, all with a California theme, and enjoy. I need to check once again the keys. Hold on, sorry, bear with. Okay, A flat, D flat, F minor.
F natural.
Dude, Hitter's trying to. Right, you know what? I'm gonna put this somewhere so I can actually see it and not be distracted by Wids turning around and saying different. No, wait, hold on. Sorry, D flat, F minor. The problem is I tried to like keep them in like nice related keys, and then when I tried to like go from one song to the next song, I'm like, oh no, which one was that?
F natural. F flat.
Yeah, I quite often sing in F flat minor. Yeah. Okay, so
Harmonically speaking.
here we go.
In harmonically speaking.
Yeah.
Just getting the lyrics lined up. Okay, right. Here we go.
Composers.
I know a place where the grass is really green now. Warm, wet and wild. There must be something in the water. Sipping gin and juice, laying underneath the palm trees. The boys break their necks, trying to creep a little sneak peek. You could travel the world, but nothing comes close to the Golden Coast. Once you party with us, you'll be falling in love. Oh, California girls are unforgettable. Daisy Dukes, bikinis on top, sun-kissed skin so hot will melt your popsicle. California girls are undeniable. Fine, fresh, fierce, we got it on lock. West Coast represent, so put your hands up. Sex on a beach, we right hand in our stilettos. We freak in a Jeep, Snoop Doggy Dogg on the stereo. You can travel the world, but nothing comes close to the Golden Coast. Once you party with us, you'll be falling in love. Whoa, California girls are unforgettable. Daisy Dukes, bikinis on top, sun-kissed skin so hot will melt your popsicle. California girls are undeniable. Fine, fresh, fit, we got it on lock. West Coast represent, now put your hands up. Tone 10, fit and ready. Turn it up cause it's getting heavy. Wild, wild West Coast. These are the girls I love the most. I mean the ones, I mean like she's one. Kiss a touch, a squeeze a bun. The girls are freaks, drive a Jeep and live on the beach. I'm okay, I won't play. I love the bay just like I love LA. Venice Beach and Palm Springs. Summertime is everything. Homeboys banging out, all that hanging out. Bikinis, zucchinis, martinis, no weenies. Just a king and a queenie. Katie, my lady, and looky here, my baby. I'm all up on you, cause you're representing California. Wild and brandy, got it unlocked. Skin kiss, heart so hot, will melt your popsicle. California girls, we're undeniable. Fine, fresh, fierce, we got it on lock. West Coast represent, so put your hands up. tree I picked the ripest one. I still got the seed. You said move on, where do I go? I guess that second best is all I will know. 'Cause when I'm with him, I am thinking of you, thinking of you. What you would do if you were the one who was spending the night. Oh, I wish that I wasn't looking into your eyes. You're like an Indian summer in the middle of winter, like a hard candy with a surprise center. How do I get better once I've had the best? You say there's tons of fish in the water, so the waters I will test. He kissed my lips, I taste your mouth. He pulled me in, I was disgusted with myself. 'Cause when I'm with him, I am thinking of you, thinking of you. What you would do if you were the one who was spending the night. Oh, I wish that I was looking into your the best. And yes, I regret how I could let myself let you go. I know the lessons learned. I touched you, I was burned. Oh, I think you should know that when I'm with him, I am thinking of you, thinking of you. What you would do if you were the one who was spending the night. Oh, I wish that I was looking into yours. I'd like to stay. Chest to chest, nose to nose, palm to palm, we were always just that close. Wrist to wrist, toe to toe, lips that felt just like the inside of a rose. So how come when I reach out my finger, it feels like more than distance between us? In this California kingbed, we're 10,000 miles apart. I'll be California wishing on on these stars for your heart, for me, my California king. Eye to eye, cheek to cheek, side to side, you were sleeping next to me, arm in arm, dusk till dawn, with the curtains drawn, and a little last night on these sheets. So how come when I reach out my finger, it feels like more than distance between us in this California king bed? We're 10,000 miles apart. I'll be California wishing on these stars for your heart, for me, my California king. Just when I felt like giving up on us, you turned around and gave me one last touch that made everything feel better. And even then my eyes got wetter, so confused, wanna ask you if you love me, but I don't wanna seem so weak. Maybe I've been California dreaming in this California king bed. We're 10,000 miles apart. I'll be California wishing on these stars for your heart, for me, my California king. All the leaves are brown,
All the leaves are brown,
and the sky is gray.
and the sky is gray.
I've been for a walk,
I've been for a walk
on a winter's day.
on a winter's day.
I'd be safe and
I'd
warm,
be safe and warm
if I was in
if
LA.
I was in LA.
California dreaming
California dreaming.
on such a winter's day.
Stopped into a
Stopped
church.
into a church,
I passed along the way.
passed along the way.
Well, I got down on my
Got
knees.
down on my knees
and I began to pray.
and I began to pray.
You know the teacher like the call.
Preacher likes a
Preacher too, he knows I'm gonna stay.
knows I'm gonna slay.
California
California dreaming
on such a winter's day.
All the leaves are brown and the sky is gray.
The sky is gray.
I've been for a walk
Been for a walk
on a winter's day.
on a winter's day.
If I didn't tell her I could leave today.
I could leave today.
California dreaming
California dreaming.
on such a winter's day.
California dreaming.
California dreaming
California dreaming.
on such a winter's day.
Such a winter's day.
California
California
dreaming
dreaming.
on such a winter's day.
Such a
I've been for a walk, on a winter's day.
On a winter's day,
I'd be safe and
I'd
warm
be safe and warm
if I were in LA.
We're in LA.
California
California dreaming
on such a winter's day.
on such a winter's day.
California
California dreaming
on such a winter's day.
on such a winter's day. Stopped into a church again. I passed along the way. Well, I got down on my knees and I pretend to pray. You know the preacher like the cold. He knows I'm gonna fly. California dreaming on such a winter's day.
Such a winter's day. California
dreaming.
California dreaming. California dreaming. California dreaming. Woo! That was so fun.
Oh man, that ending, great.
Dude, that was a lot of fun. That was, jeez, that was a that was a really, really fun set. Woo! There we go. Well, we've had a few. Whew, oh, geez, dude, that really took it out of me, that set. That was a fun set. So don't worry, we're going to be doing way more of these sorts of sets. And hopefully trying to get these guys involved as well. So obviously Wits came and sat next to me, but Joao was singing into the piano mic a little bit as well. So if you heard a bass voice, you know, these very sultry, then that was it, Portuguese. I'm not going to try and do that accent, but you know. Sultry bass. Then that was our sound man, Jorginho. I didn't finish that sentence. Sorry, I got so distracted in my own tomfoolery. Oh, whew, there we go. Okay, I need some wine after that.
You deserved it.
I did deserve it, thank you. But thanks for the toestemming.
Well, it turns out instead of the 8:35 break, we have a 9:15 break.
Oh, we have a 9:15 break. Okay, that's. Thank you for the wine, Joao Ginho.
You're welcome.
As we say in Russia.
Yeah, no, it was really cool to do Josie's songs again. You guys should totally go check it out. I'm going to put a link underneath the video after this, linking to Josie's songs and the EP that I played on. And she also just released something new, promotional. Yeah, she dropped this super cool album that she's been working on in quarantine. And sorry, the boys are making... anyway, she made this really cool album that she dropped in quarantine. And I will put a link for that as well. You guys should check it out. Yeah, exactly. This is why, Birdie, you should be here, man. This concert is where it's at. Thank you, Linda. That was fun to be able to sing that for you guys, and I'm happy that Wids and Joao agreed to do it. Okay.
We match nicely as well, color-wise.
We did. Oh, I get the joke now. You're wearing that Fantastique, and Linda said Fantastique. I get it. Very clever, Linda. That was, I had completely not put two and two together. There we go. That was
2 and 2, it's 22.
oh yeah, thanks, Ram. Okay, we're gonna go to Mexico and do a song by Mana called. Oh wait, no, I didn't even tell you what songs were in the medley, just in case y'all were wondering. It started off with California Girls by Katy Perry. Then I did Thinking of You, also by Katy Perry on the same album. Then it was California Kingbed by Rihanna. and California Dreaming by, oh my lord, who is California Dreaming by?
The Mamas and the Papas.
The Mamas and the Papas. That's something I don't want to have to say again.
Mommies and the daddy.
What key did we do this in? Oh man, this is a... Dude, I forgot how strong this wine was. This was, I've got a headache already.
Tell me after. Can we open a window maybe? Or maybe it's too much sound.
Maybe. I also don't know how to...
Open the garden.
We are your mischieving sons, according to Bertie.
Ah, absolutely. So, here we go. This is Labios Compartidos by Maná, meaning shared lips, and it's a song about, about thinking that you can share the person who you're in love with, but that isn't possible. What key do I always do it in? Sorry, I could have worked this out before. That is definitely not there. Whoops.
A taste of the Middle East.
Amor mío, si estoy debajo del vaivén de tus piernas, si estoy hundido en un vaivén de caderas, esto es mi cielo, es mi cielo. Amor fugado, tomas, me dejas, me exprimes y me tiras a un lado. Te vas a otros cielos y regresas como los colibríes. Me tienes como un perro a tus pies. Otra vez mi boca insensata vuelve a caer en tu piel. Vuelve a mí tu boca y provoca. Vuelvo a caer de tus pechos a un par de pies. Labios compartidos, labios divididos, mi amor. Yo no puedo compartir tus labios, que comparto el engaño, que comparto el Mesías y el dolor. Ya no puedo compartir tus labios, oh amor, amor compartido. Amor mutante, amigos con derecho y sin derecho de tenerte siempre. Y siempre tengo que esperar paciente el pedazo que me toca de ti. Relámpagos de alcohol, las posas solas lloran en el sol. Mi boca en llamas torturada, te desnudas anhelada y luego te vas. Otra vez mi boca insensata vuelve a caer en tu piel de miel. labios compartidos, labios divididos, mi amor. Yo no puedo compartir tus labios, que comparto el engaño y que comparto mis días y el dolor. Yo no puedo compartir tus labios, que me parta un rayo, que me entierre el olvido del amor, pero no puedo más compartir tus labios, compartir tus besos, labios compartidos, labios compartidos, labios compartidos, labios compartidos. Ah, awesome song. Labios Compartidos by Mana, a Mexican band. Oh, woo. Dude, this wine is getting to me. Absolutely. Oh, yes. I'm gonna... Just seeing if I can do this one song. Tell yourself a joke while I just see if I can work out this key. Dude, not you tell the joke, it was the listeners.
Sorry. No, I got that wrong.
And not tell the joke while I start playing this emotional intro.
That was a good joke. Yeah.
Why did the
Didn't
chicken
let me
cross the
stop.
road?
Fine.
Okay,
what's
go
the
on.
difference
What's
between
Shraul's joke? What's the
parachute
difference between a parachute
and the condom?
and a... Dude, my nephews and niece are watching this.
Yeah, so.
Right, okay. This is another song by Mana, and we're gonna keep... I'm gonna be passive-aggressive. We're gonna keep the jokes PG.
Well, it says in the YouTube.
Dude.
This is not allowed for children. Or else you need the permission.
Rayando el sol, desesperación. Esta pena me duele, me quema sin tu amor. No me has llamado, estoy desesperado. Son muchas lunas las que te he llorado. Rayando el sol, desesperación. Es más fácil llegar al sol que a tu corazón. Y me muero por ti, viviendo sin ti. Y no aguanto, me duele tanto estar así, rayando el sol. A tu casa yo fui y no te encontré. En el parque, en la playa plaza, en el cine yo te busqué. Te tengo atrapada entre mi piel y mi alma, mas ya no puedo tanto y quiero estar junto a ti. Rayando el sol, desesperación. Es más fácil llegar al sol que a tu corazón. Y me muero por ti, viviendo sin ti. Y no aguanto, me duele tanto estar así. Rayando el sol, a tu casa yo fui y no te encontré. En el parque, en la plaza, en el cine yo te busqué. Te tengo atrapada entre mi piel y mi alma, mas ya no puedo tanto y quiero estar junto a ti. Rayando el sol, desesperación. Es más fácil llegar al sol que a tu corazón. Y me muero por ti, viviendo sin ti. Y no aguanto, me duele tanto estar así. Rayando el sol, rayando el sol, desesperación. Es más fácil llegar al sol que a tu corazón. Y me muero por ti, viviendo sin ti. Y no aguanto, me duele tanto estar así. Rayando el sol, rayando el sol, rayando el sol, rayando el sol. Rayando el sol de Maná. And the birds singing in the background. Ah.
I think we should tell the joke. But
Yeah, I think so. It's a nice one. It's not very scandalous. Why you avoid it?
Staying in Mexico, I totally could have done this as a set, but I didn't think about this before. Porque lloras, mi amor, que te fluye en la piel, te despiertas en el llanto con espantos de dolor. Son los monstruos del ayer, son tus miedos, corazón, Sabes bien que yo te amo y te pido tengas fe. No sufras más, no mi bebé. Eres la mariposa que vuela hacia el huracán. Cuéntame de tu pasar, suelta todo tu dolor, dímelo. Ay, amor, un huracán y una mariposa llegan, se dan la cara en medio de la mar. Lluvia de esperanza, lluvia al corazón, siempre ahí estaré, no te fallaré, desde el cielo llega el corazón, sol que lanza la esperanza y la luz, no importa lo que pase, no importa jamás, no, lluvia al corazón. Desilusión, muda desesperación, pero todo tiene alivio menos el decir adiós. Y si te vas así, yo moriré y te amarras a tu piano y te vas al alta mar y te quieres escapar y te quieres huir. No, mi amor, ay, ay, amor, un huracán y una mariposa llegan, se dan la cara en medio de la mar. Lluvia de esperanza, lluvia al corazón, siempre ahí estaré, no te fallaré, desde el cielo lluvia al corazón, sol que lanza la esperanza y la luz, no importa lo que pase, no importa jamás, no, lluvia al corazón, lluvia al corazón, lluvia de esperanza, lluvia al corazón, siempre ahí estaré, no te fallaré, desde el cielo lluvia al corazón, sol que lanza la esperanza y la luz, no importa lo que pase, no importa jamás, no, lluvia al corazón. La esperanza al corazón, la esperanza al corazón, que te sane, que te alivie el dolor, no importa lo que pase, no importa jamás, no. Lluvia de esperanza, lluvia al corazón, siempre ahí estaré, no te fallaré, desde el cielo lluvia al corazón, sol que lanza la esperanza y la luz, no importa lo que pase, no importa jamás, no, lluvia al corazón.
How great is that?
Okay, 3 super cool Spanish songs. Se queda muy claro que esta canción se escribió en México, porque acá nadie va a escribir sobre lluvia de esperanza. Es más como lluvia de... O sea, Am I right, ladies? We've had loads of donations, a lot today, so thank you very much for that, everybody. The link for Facebook, YouTube. This wine is so strong.
But you
Like-
don't stop drinking.
I know, it's because it's here. I need to put my water bottle here, so I'm like, okay, right. No, it's not that strong. I mean,
yeah.
it's strong, but
That's
it's
what I thought.
strong enough to give myself a hangover in the morning. Although, to be fair, we're recording. We're coming to record Joao tomorrow. So,
Yeah, I mean, it's okay if you just press a few wrong keys.
that's how we'll be playing,
I'm sure
playing tomorrow.
He will be okay.
I'm sure he'll be fine. Anyway, guys, right.
A bit off topic.
20 minutes left. Yeah, donations, thank you very much. Links above and below. Subscribe. I mean, you guys know it. Like and subscribe. Put comments on everything. Tell me when you last felt sexy. That's a reference to it earlier in this video. Tell me the last time you danced. Just anything. Write it underneath the comments, even if you just want to, I mean, don't do like hateful stuff, but you know, just, you can blabber on like me in a YouTube comment and it's good for the algorithm. So, what else did I need to say? The songs that I just did, absolutely. They were all by Mana, and I've kind of forgotten what was the first one I did. I did... One of them was Rayando el Sol. One of them was Lluvia al Corazón. And the first one was, I have no idea. Hold on, I can search on my history. Oh yeah, Labios Compartidos. So Labios Compartido, Rayando el Sol, and Lluvia al Corazón. Man, this...
Again?
Yeah, no, wine's getting good. Okay, we're going to come back to the Netherlands for a little bit. And we're going to do a nice, cheesy Disney song. Oh, dude, we should have done this as a duet. That would have been so cute.
Yeah, okay.
Do you know, but you know Het licht dat ik nu zie? Van Rapunzel.
Well, that wouldn't work well, I think.
Well, I'll send it to you. Maybe we can do it. It's a cute little duet. Anyway, I always sing this with Vera Fisselier. That's not what I'm going to sing.
Oh,
But, here we go. This is the light that... I don't know the word, the title in English. And at last I see the light. And this is Het licht dat ik nu zie. Do you want to do it as a duet? Improvise. But we're going to have to do it in different keys. So I'll do it in... What's good for you?
Yeah.
No, wait, hold on. That is a little bit low. Okay, so you begin,
Yeah.
and then I do the next verse. Okay. This is fun.
Okay.
I want to embrace doing this more often. I'll tell you when to come in. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
2 seconds. Sorry. Dude, can you? This is also a song that I have with Kaina. Sorry, guys, this is a super long pause. Next week I'll be drinking less wine. Can you send a message to Kaina telling her to watch now if she isn't? 'Cause-
What, Facebook or?
yeah, I guess.
Dag na dag, starend uit mijn venster, jaar na jaar, levend achter glas. Al die tijd heb ik nooit geweten hoe blind eindelijk hier. Weg is alle schijn. Dit is echt, voel ik oprecht. Het is waar ik hoor te zijn. En het licht dat ik nu zie, heeft de duisternis verdreven. Want het licht dat ik nu zie, geeft me alles wat ik wou. Het is warm en vol magie.
Het brengt mijn
Leven weer tot leven.
Alles is.
Plotseling veranderd, want ik ben bij jou.
Zo schattig. How do I do this key change? Hold on, what key am I doing it in? No. Dag na dag joeg ik steeds een droom na. Jaar na jaar deed ik zomaar wat. Al die tijd zonder te beseffen hoe het werkelijk zat. Hij is hier, stralend tussen sterren. Hij is hier en ik voel pas goed. Het zal gaan, ik raak hem aan en weet het werden moet. En het licht dat ik nu zie, heeft de duistere mist verdreven. Je mag hier wat harmonie doen als ik wil. En het licht dat ik nu zie, geeft me alles wat ik wou. Het is waar en vol magie. Het brengt mijn wereld weer tot leven. Alles is plotseling veranderd, want ik ben bij jou. Want ik ben bij
Nu heb ik ook piano gespeeld.
Dat is alles wat telt. Thank you, Hidda, for joining me on that. I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was very fun to do. And we've still got 10 minutes left. Do any of you guys who be watching have a request from something that you guys know I've done in a past schnibble?
Oh, suerte bij Shakira.
Shakira again, dude.
Oké, fijn. En John Mayer?
Volgende week.
Nee, mooi. Mooi bij uitstek.
Daar gaan we afsluiten.
Oké.
Dus, okay, we're gonna finish on a high note.
Do you have something higher?
F8.
F8.
Literally.
We're gonna have to, like, for real, for everybody who watches, like for you guys who are watching the concerts all the time, we're gonna have to like send you homework of like watching stuff to... Dude, ik kom gewoon niet uit op mijn woorden, man. Ja, for you guys to get the inside jokes and everything. Jeez.
And you have to. You also need homework. You need a script.
I don't need a script. I just need less wine that's like 50%.
Well, that's your fault, my friend.
Girl, rustig.
My friend, that's your fault.
Okay, so now we're gonna do a nice. We're gonna go back to a few places we've already been to today. So we're gonna do Shakira. Suerte. Wait, in English or Spanish? Spanish. Okay, that's.
Do we get? I'm just thinking something.
What Joao was thinking something.
Excited thinking about Shakira's songs.
As long as it's not Annie, I mean. And then we're gonna do go, guys. Nog 10 minuten, jongens.
It's
Okay,
your fault again.
Shakira, Suerte. Then we're gonna go to another English song, American song, and then we're gonna come back to Netherlands for Mooi, and that is it for the evening. So this is the final set. So I'm gonna do my spiel of saying goodbye now. Thank you everybody for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, YouTuber. And people who watched on Facebook, go across to YouTube and do all of that stuff. Remember, guys, we've had a lot of donations today, which is really nice. If any of you guys want to donate, the links stay up for donation for the next week. The PayPal is always the same and the Tiki stays up. So if you want to donate on another day, in case that was the thing that was holding you back, then you guys can do that. And everything's really appreciated. We're going to start trying to get like our own equipment to be able to do all this stuff with, to carry on giving you amazing concerts. Thank you everybody who joined today on Facebook and YouTube. It was really great being able to sing for you. Yeah, I mean, it's still quarantine. It's starting to ease a bit, but stay safe, stay healthy, and see you here next week. Remember, comments. Y'all have homework to comment underneath this video when you last felt sexy, when you last danced, or what your favorite song was in the set, because I know for like my mum, she's not going to want to say that. So mum and anybody else who doesn't feel comfortable, you guys can comment with your favorite song or your favorite set that we did. Thank you all once again for being here and joining us. Thanks to Joao for being the technician. Thanks to Andre for all of the amazing equipment that he's let us use. Thanks to Wids for joining me singing, and just for general gaiety, as it were. And thank you to the Muziekkamer for letting us be here. Have a great week, guys, and see you next week. But don't go yet, because we've still got fun songs. So, wait. Oh no, what key do I do it in? Sur hayas nacido y que borremos las distancias. Suerte que es haberte conocido, por ti amar tierras extrañas. Yo puedo escalar los Andes solo para ir a contar tus lunares. Contigo celebro y sufro todo, mis alegrías, mis males. Lelo, 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 lelo. Sabes que estoy a tus pies. Contigo, mi vida, quiero vivir la vida, lo que me queda de vida. Quiero vivir contigo, contigo, mi vida. Quiero vivir la vida, lo que me queda de vida. Quiero vivir contigo. Suerte que es tener labios sinceros para besarte con más ganas. Suerte que mis pechos sean pequeños y no los fundas con montañas. Suerte que no velas firmes para correr si donde hace falta. Y estos ojos que me dicen que de real cuando te vayas. Lelo, lo, lelo, le, lelo, lo, lelo, le. Sabes que estoy a tus pies. Contigo, mi vida, quiero vivir la vida, lo que me queda de vida. Quiero vivir contigo, mi vida, contigo. Yo quiero vivir la vida, lo que me queda de vida. Quiero vivir contigo. Lelo, lo, lelo, le, lelo, lo, lelo, le. Sabes que estoy a tus pies. Lelo, lo, lelo, lelo, le. La felicidad tiene tu nombre, tu piel. Whenever, wherever we're meant to be together, I'll be there and you'll be near. And that's it, my dear. They're all the here and there. You never have to wonder. We can always play by ear. And that's it, my dear. Contigo, mi vida, quiero vivir la vida. Lo que me queda de vida, quiero vivir la vida. Contigo, mi vida, estoy hasta el cuello por ti. Si sientes algo así, que me junto a mí. Whenever we're meant to be together, I'll be there and you'll be near. And that's it, my dear. They're all the here and there. You got me head over heels, there's nothing left to feel. If you really feel the way I feel, I don't know what style I'm going to do this. You put the boom boom into my heart. You send my skull sky high when your loving start. Jitterbug into my brain. It goes a bang, bang, bang till my feet do the same. But something's bugging you, something ain't right. My best friend told me what you did last night and left me sleeping in my bed. I was dreaming, but I should have been with you instead. Wake me up before you go. Don't leave me hanging on like a yo-yo. Wake me up before you go. I don't wanna miss when you hit that high. Wake me up before you go. Cause I'm not planning on going solo. Wake me up before you go. Take me dancing tonight. I wanna hit that high. You take the blue skies out of my way. You make the sunshine brighter than a Doris Day. Turns rocking into a flame. My beats burning and never been the same. Cause you're my man and I'm your fool. It makes me crazy when you act so cool. Come on baby, let's not fight. We'll go dancing, everything will be alright. Wake me up before you go. Don't leave me hanging on like a yo-yo. Wake me up before you go. I don't wanna miss when you hit that high. Wake me up before you go. Cause I'm not planning on going solo. Wake me up before you go. Take me dancing tonight. I wanna hit that high. Call up, baby, moving time. We'll go dancing tomorrow night. It's cold out there, but it's warm in bed. They can dance and we'll stay home instead. So wake me up before you go. Leave me hanging on like a yo-yo. Wake me up before you go. I don't wanna miss when you hit that high. Wake me up before you go. Cause I'm not planning on going solo. Wake me up before you go. And take me dancing tonight. I wanna hit that high. Wake me up before you go. Don't leave me hanging on like a yo-yo. Wake me up before you go. I don't wanna miss when you hit that high. Wake me up before you go. Cause I'm not planning on going solo. Wake me up before you go. And take me dancing tonight. aan jouw gezicht af dat er iets veranderd is. Alsof al ons verdriet is verdwenen in je glimlach. En vandaag schijnt een ander licht. Ik ben benieuwd wat jouw geheim is. Deel het met mij. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Jij bent mooi wanneer je stil bent. Mooi wanneer je praat. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Jij bent mooi wanneer je wakker wordt. Mooi wanneer je slaapt. Je bent mooi als ik je zie je stralen als het zonnig zonder meer. De mooiste ben je liever, al heb je dat niet door. Dan zeg ik het graag, daar ben ik toch voor. Ja, ik ben er vandaag en morgen, overmorgen. Ik ben er voor altijd, ik ben al lang blij dat ik naar je kijken kan elke dag. Ook als de nacht zich meldt, dan liever, dan schijn je zelfs meer. En morgen als ik wakker word, dan zeg ik het weer. Dat jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Jij bent mooi wanneer je stil bent, mooi wanneer je praat. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Jij bent mooi wanneer je wakker wordt, mooi wanneer je slaapt. Leen mij een beetje van jouw licht. Haal mij uit de schaduw. Ik zou willen vliegen, maar ik draag te veel gewicht. Leen mij je vleugels. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Jij bent mooi wanneer je stil bent, mooi wanneer je praat. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Jij bent mooi wanneer je wakker wordt, zelfs mooi als je me haat. Maar dat doe je nooit. Thank you once again, everybody, for joining. Have a lovely week. Hit the subscribe and like button. Thank you for the donations, and see you next week. Ciao.